I'm gonna go see all right there pretty soon. Keep pushing. Put it in the magazine.
It's over the head. Over the head.
Hermanos, come here.
Watch out.
Aquí.
Watch this. Get up. Get up. Get up.
El día 5 de mayo del año 2025, un suboficial del Departamento del Sheriff del Condado de Martin, recibió y respondió rápidamente a una llamada de emergencia al 911 sobre un robo de un jet valorado en millón de USD. La embarcación fue reportada como robada desde un puerto deportivo en Jupiter, estado de Florida, cerca de la ciudad de West Palm Beach, y se desplazaba hacia el norte cuando la Patrulla Marítima del Condado de Martin disparó una embarcación para interceptar desde la zona de Arena. Angelos y en objetivo había un puente levadizo con una altura libre de 65 pies, lo que representaba un gran desafío para el proceso de aproximación e interceptación de las fuerzas policiales, que fueron disparadas para llegar a la escena, dividiendo en varias ratas de aproximación diferentes.
Asked the boat owner, he has video footage of the inside of the vessel, and it's possibly 2 Jamaican males on board.
There was 97. Confirm it's this yacht that's just south of the bridge here.
That's 10-4, dark 2. The last 2 males should be on board.
10-4, everyone has visual. Well, it looks like they were trying to power away from the shore there where they're at.
10-4, you guys are firearms on the boat?
Unknown on firearms at this time. We'll make 10-5 with the homeowner, Carson, boat owner.
He's up there, sir. The Mexico? Yeah, you want to run up there?
Intercambiaban información de seguimiento y se mantenían en contacto por radio y con el centro de mando.
Get my binoculars. Get my binoculars. What?
Sorry, 7 Creek Trail North. 10-4, Unit 5, 54 on there being firearms on board the vessel.
Okay, Coast Guard coming, AMO's coming. We don't have to approach this thing until we get help. Alright, he's hitting the bridge fenders.
El centro de mando informó que había arma a bordo, por lo que en display para llegar a la embarcación. Por parte de las fuerzas llevó más tiempo.
Alright,
if he gets any closer, we're just going to open this bridge. I've got tons of assets on the way, but if he's going to try to hit this bridge, it's not worth it. Is he going to hit? Can you see? Oh, absolutely. He's going to hit.
SO units, can we get on both sides of the bridge?
go ahead and lift it.
I won't be able to open the traffic gate, the cotton car.
Alright. Move your cars from the gates so the bridge can open. It won't open without you got in front of the gates.
Marine 6, Marine 3, 33 and 34 are almost about to leave Sanskrit.
Keep your eye on to head south on that side, and we'll head south. Head north on that side, we'll go north on this side.
Marine 1 advised they are launching from Lake Worth now, and correction from Fort Pierce now. They should be launching from Lake Worth soon.
That's why I mean.
Yeah, it's moving further north into the
The
channel.
only thing we can try to do, I think, is hold the perimeter here and
Yeah.
on Bridge Road. That's it.
So they're still going north. So I think if we parallel them as they go north, because it's so thick over here,
Yeah.
if they bail north over there, or yeah, they're trying.
Watch the water, guys. That's all good.
That's all good.
You want to just do that now? Just shoot CS gas right in the back of the boat. You got to talk to your SWAT commander here and see
do it right now.
That'll at least get them out of the boat.
I'm down with it.
Where the yacht's at right now.
Hey, James. Go, go, go.
Okay, well, we're just a little further north of that, so we're not trying. Yeah, I guess good with it.
Coast Commanding, go ahead.
The boat is actively resisting us. It's actively resisting us.
Push hard!
54, the vessel's still under its own power.
What does he want? He wants us to push it in.
Marine units, got more help coming to you on the water. Stand by.
He's grounded, man. Just hold what we got. Let's wait till the...
TBSO is getting Marine units on the water as well.
Hey, that door just opened!
Still one up top.
I believe there's going to be one top and then one on the mid deck. Pretty crazy. This is a new one. One on the top deck.
Marine 1, Ringo 1. Your man Doc will pick up reporting on here. Air 1, there is a door open on the starboard side of the boat. Outside of where you guys are.
Billy, what? Like said, do not get on the boat, Joe. Let me see your hand!
He just came out. Pop back in.
Either one, bring us one of those boats so Sergeant Locke can bring some less lethal.
Just a minute, boss. We're trying to bury it.
It's gonna go shallow right there pretty soon. Keep pushing. Put it in the magnet.
Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Air 1, keep an eye on that open door, please.
Hey, keep eyes on that side. Keep eyes on the other side.
Let's leave those on the bridge.
We're on the catwalk, we're ready.
Around the back side.
The boat is north entrance of the Bible College. I forget the name of I think one of our guys just got there.
Props are stuck in the dirt. Here, turbos.
Alpha 14, Air 1, be advised, we got no eyes on the starboard side.
Tower, we have visual.
Unit 12, if you guys push the boat to a standstill, can you go ahead and give commands on a PA?
Hold on, I'm not stopping.
Just give them a series of commands, just at least we can say we tried to do that first.
Door. Yep. Hands. Two hands. Both hands. Hands over the head.
On your head. On the back deck, top deck.
Where would he be, James? The top or the middle? I got him. Yeah, we got him.
Up high, he's up high in the vessel.
We'll take him down.
Appears to be surrendering.
We have less lethal coverage and lethal.
That'll work. Yep.
Last time we saw a second, he was in the middle cabin.
I currently only see one.
Casi ha biến logrado uyacas, an specioso, sin embargo, las fuerzas, no basaron la guardia, parecía que el tampoco tenía intención de resistir. En sospechoso, levantó las manos y se rayó, cooperando con las órdenes de la policía.
The swim platform. Not the line with command.
Okay.
I know Spanish.
Get us some behind that boat. Get ready that 40.
20, hanging out.
Hey, Ryan! Pull back!
We
can catch that back. If you want to board the boat, we can go ahead and take them out.
I got both.
I've got two canines right here.
Come down! You, come down! Come down!
Siéntate.
Come down!
Siéntate.
Come down from the house!
Trying to move the hatch.
He's reaching something on the bottom deck.
Hey, fill that thing full of gas. That'll make them
Jump in the hatch.
Hey, we're deploying 40.
40 millimeter! 40 line!
Let's at least get him here. He's trying to come.
Hey! Hey! No!
No.
Come down!
Siéntate. Chris, watch your crossfire. I'm going to come over to your bow. Chris, I'm going to come over to your bow.
He's right there on the bottom. See him?
He's in the bottom cabin now.
You ready? We're going to punch. You ready? We're going to punch the bottom. You ready? Go for it.
Corner.
40! Go for it.
40.
Impact glass. Give me a handle to you, Garrett. What do you want, the black ones?
44, 40 Mike. Deployed.
All right, hit it. 40! There you go. Get on. Do it again. Want another one?
Unit 12, 98 the Jones for now.
Counter 98.
Hey, he's going to the bow of the boat, on the bottom deck.
It's coming out to us?
Get after the bow.
Hey, guys.
Come back. Come. Hands up. Go. Hey.
Sorry, he's laying down on the bow of the boat.
You want to go on and get him? There is another person.
All right, man. We just have to maintain security, right?
Stand up and walk!
Stand up.
Stand up!
Hands up.
Key up.
Walk down this side.
Come.
Walk. Come.
Outside. Outside.
A key. A key.
Here. This way.
A key. Hey, we need a Spanish speaker. 40. Alright.
Be advised, he's laying down.
You got one or two?
I ain't got a key.
Your dog speaks Spanish?
Descubre en que en sospechoso no hablaba el mismo idioma que ellos, era un extranjero.
He's just laying down. We got eyes on him.
He's still laying on the bow.
What do you need cover on the guy on the bow? Sheriff, they move to take him?
Yeah. Going up there. I'll go to this side. I got this.
Get the guy in the front, bring him, get rid of him first.
I got this side.
Don't move. Hey.
You got that?
Come here. Hey. Come here. Come here now.
Hermanos, come here.
All right, watch out.
Aquí.
Watch this. Get up. Get up. Get up. Right up.
Sheriff, can you open that hatch above your head?
We got a hatch right there. Get him on a boat. Hey, we're pass one off to you guys.
I am only one.
No, there's anyone else on the boat?
No, I'm only one.
Only one?
Yeah.
Hey, we need to pass him off. Get him off the boat.
Grab him down there.
Put him on the knees down here on top.
John, open that door right behind you.
She wants to hear on boat.
Here, I'll switch on here. Yep.
La policía registró toda la embarcación, pero no encontró a ningún cómplice como se había informado al principio, y tampoco pudieron obtener ninguna pista o declaración ya que nadie entendía en idioma que ellos hablaba. Un registro exhaustivo del jet no reveló a nadie más a bordo. Sin embargo, la policía aún no sabía de todo sobre el sospechoso, su motivación o incluso qué idioma hablaba.
The question if we could fit a boat? We know now.
Yeah, we checked that box today.
You just want to hold that pole.
Yeah, you're good.
All right,
Ready?
stand up. Stand up.
Okay.
Come on. Ready?
The unit's bringing it to the location you ran into.
Speak English? Don't do anything stupid. Or you're gonna get dumped on your face.
I
was really rooting for you on this one. Everyone wants to.
What language you speak?
Russian.
Russian? Okay.
Doesn't habla español?
Russia. You got anyone who speaks Russian?
We're gonna try to.
I don't think anyone even works here speaks Russian. Dust will done yet, that's all I know. You speak Spanish?
No, English little. I'm handyman in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Inmediatamente después, el sospechoso fue identificado rápidamente como Nikolai Vilkov, de nacionalidad rusa. La policía del condado de Martin procedió a interrogar a Nikolai Vilkov a través de un intérprete proporcionado por el Departamento de Seguridad Interior con la esperanza de poder esclarecer la verdadera motivación Dicha del incident, según las acusaciones, Vilcop, Ciudadano Ruso, había robado la embarcación y la condujo él mismo. Actualmente, está detenido en la cárcel del condado de Martin, y enfrenta múltiples cargos, incluyendo robo, en primer grado, intento de fuga de un barco peligroso, allanamiento, provocando daño superior a $1 y resistencia violenta a la autoridad. Huida peligrosa causando daño, junto con un delito menor de fuga no violenta. Vilcop no se declaró culpable y en próximo juicio está programado para el 1 de octubre. Midwest Safety confirmó de manera independiente con la oficina del sheriff del condado de Martin, que el sigue detenido, allí, y que también está bajo una orden de detención emitida por el Servicio de Inmigración y Control de Aduanas y la agencia de aplicación de la ley. Es muy probable que Vilcop, si deportado, después de que el caso concluya y él cumpla la sentencia correspondiente, como cualquier otro acusado. Vilcop es considerado inocente hasta que un tribunal pruebe lo contrario. Gracias por ver el video. No olviden darle like y seguirnos para estar al día con muchas más noticias interesantes.